Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. So Bitcoin finally lost the neckline. Okay, we've lost the neckline and that's pretty much it. So let's go into the daily time frame. There was a particular support that you've been holding for quite a while, and that support at the moment is getting lost. So here we go. You got a bearish closing below the support, below the neckline, and you got another closing as well. So I do think it's time to make a small pullback to retest the neckline, take some stop losses here, and then finally move to the downside. So I do expect Bitcoin to probably come up to 28,300 before actually going to 24,000, but eventually you're actually meant to go to 24,000, and the technical target is considering that I'm just going to take this. So considering this top to the bottom, you're looking for a technical target right over here to that arrow. Now keep in mind, that's where you have another support. You got this one touch, you have this one touch, and you have a trend line, and that's going to be a third touch, and you're going to make a very perfect trend line. Now, for example, if you end up losing this support line, this is what I'm trying to look at in the future, and you lose that support line, you go below the support line, you backtest that support line, I think it's time to actually go and fill the 20,000 CME gap, okay? But I'm still not afraid of Bitcoin prices in the long term. I'm not really afraid. As I told you before, when I zoom out, I like what Bitcoin is doing. It's a simple pattern. Look, falling wedge, breakout, you have a technical target here. How you get there is stressful. Inside that range is stressful. The journey is bumpy, right? Ups and downs are going to come along the way. Like here, go up, came down, go up, come down again, go up, maybe come down, go up, come down. You move in waveform. So trading inside that area is going to be tough. But if you're trading outside of the area, you're trading the bigger picture, that's why you don't really give a damn, man. Simple. That's it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.